Hello students, I am Pushprata Miss. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe at home. Stay home and stay safe. Today's topic is rituals and beliefs. Harappans, like most people of ancient times, worshipped nature and natural objects. Many seals have engravings of the people tree and the bull, hinting that the Harappans could have worshipped trees and animals. Next, deities. The discovery of a female terracotta figurine depicting a tree growing from the stomach hints that the Harappans probably worshipped mother goddesses for fertility or prosperity. Similarly, many seals with a horn deity have been found in various excavations. This god has 3 heads and horns and is surrounded by various animals. The horned god has striking resemblance with Lord Shiva and is referred to as Pashupati by many. Next topic, burial of dead. The Harappans generally buried their dead. Pots and other belongings, including food and pets of the buried person, have been excavated from many burial sites, confirming that the Harappans believed in life after death. At other times, they cremated the dead, means the ritual of burning the body to ashes after death, after which they collected the ashes and bones in pots which they later buried on the earth. Many urns with ashes have been found at various excavation sites. Next is, what about script? The script, though the seals on which Harappan inscriptions are found are in good legible condition, the text has not been disappeared till date. The text is very short and majority pictographic, which is making it very difficult for our historians to decipher the script. The Indus script is one of the first written scripts discovered in the country. Next, what about administration? Having proper evidences of such a brilliant and well-planned settlement, we can draw the conclusion that the government of the Indus Valley civilization was quite appreciable, means good. Their organized town planning, drainage system, sanitation, trade, many things indicate that they were ruled or governed by efficient ministers or priests. Okay. Next, decline of the Indus Valley civilization. Around 1500 BCE, the once thriving Indus Valley civilization came to an end. Historians feel that there could be many reasons for the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. First one, because cities were more planned and prosperous, more and more people started moving towards the cities, which collapsed under population. Second reason, the civilization could have been destroyed by epidemics or natural calamities such as floods or earthquakes. Third one, some historians also say that the Indus could have changed its course, turning the land infertile. Next, decline of trade could have also led to the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. Next, some historians are also of the opinion that the civilization was wiped out by foreign invasions. Okay, then elsewhere at the same time. In the narrow valley between the Euphrates and the Tigris rivers lies the once flourishing Mesopotamia, modern day Iraq, a Greek term which means the land between the rivers. One of the Asian civilizations that thrived in southern Mesopotamia in the 4th century BCE was the Sumerian civilization. It was the first writing society known to man. Second, use of tablets and pen. The Sumerians used clay tablets and a pen-like instrument called Sunius to make pictures which depict words or sound value, which we now know as cuneiform writing. Occupation. The Sumerians were great farmers, the first ones to use the process of irrigation to cultivate their crops. They are most known for their canals and ziggurats, a terraced pyramid-like structure. Like most Asian civilizations, the Mesopotamians too were polytheistic, which means that they believed in many gods. Okay, then meaning of urbanization. Mankind has witnessed various stages of evolution. What we are today is a remarkable and step-by-step progress from our hunter-gatherer ancestors. The first path-breaking development that the history of mankind can trace is the urban settlement of Asian civilization, such as Indus Valley. The town planning, structure, brick houses, drainage system, overseas trade, tax and barter system, all these show a great deal of progress from the earlier Stone Ages and thus explaining the true meaning of urbanization. Okay students, you read full lesson and understand. Thank you.